I bet it's noisy as well with that roof rack on.
Probably.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god.
What happened?
You got hit.
Oh, Jesus. You just...
Don't get out my donkey.
Don't slam on him, just lightly press on him though. What the fuck? Blow it. Dude! Dumbass much?
I wanted to remind you of the mission we're on. Altogether, he said, this mission was in the service of an investor, the American taxpayer. You were not required to join this mission if you preferred not to. It was not an obligation of employment at Argonne. Not at all. But he did not then, nor in any of the other dozens of times.
What the What the fuck is this car doing, bro? What the fuck is going on? Look at him. This fucking dumbass. Dude, what the fuck? Fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? You alright, man? What happened? Huh? What happened? Yeah, hold on. Stay there for a second.
Behind me, very close. Y'all was scaring me.
What do you mean?
Scared me. Somebody call 911. Just stay down. Somebody down, bro. Chill out, bro. Y'all chill out. Call 911. Hey, you got something right there. Hey, buddy. Hey, lay down. Lay back down. Lay down. I can't. Hey, we crash on.
Hey,
For a minute, bro. Gotta get away from my children, man.
Yeah, well, you ain't doing that right now, bro.
What's the number of your house?
I can't give you the number to my house. I have children.
Okay, I should have it. Driver's license.
It's probably in my wallet.
Hey, let's get away from the car.
Yeah, sit him on the curb. See if he can stand. Are you hurt? Are you injured?
You guys were scaring me.
All right. Well, okay. You talk about that later. Are you hurt right now, though?
Yeah, I'm hurt because I'm already disabled. I have a torn.
Okay.
A torn glute, a torn meniscus.
I'll tell you what. If you see a flame, then you might get away from the car.
Is there a flame?
No, just leave him alone, dude. He said it's our fault. Dude, yeah, he straight up says it's our fault, bro. No. Don't, hey, take his keys. Take his keys. I don't know if he's good to drive.
Come on, grab your keys and get out, sir. Come on.
not to drive, man.
You can't leave the scene of an accident, man. You know what?
Were you the one he was behind? He was trying to pass you on the right?
I don't know what the hell.
He was weaving back and forth. I couldn't tell. I was kind of freaking out.
No, yeah, that's why we were staying back.
How you guys behind me?
He's on something, bro. Something's going on. Yeah, oh yeah.
Because you don't know how to fucking drive, bitch!
Just hit our car.
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.